This is a children's keyboard. It works now. It wasn't working at all until I opened it up. I thought it might be battery corrosion, but it turns out if you open it up, inside you've got one IC over here, which is a power amplifier of some kind, a few transistors, resistors, other components, but here the main die, there's a little blob there, black blob, that's on a daughter board. And I noticed when I had the thing powered up trying to work out what was wrong, just about to put the scope on, if I touched that daughter board, a lot of crackling happened, and it turned out to be broken solder joints on the mounting. So I resoldered all these joints and it's working again. So if you've got one of these, that might be the problem if it's not working. There's more details on my blog with some photos. Another fix.